Hello, Dr. B.R. Patil, Principal of Vishwaniketan Institute of Management, Entrepreneurship and Engineering Technology. Our institute is affiliated to University of Mumbai. Hope that you all are in good health and safe at home during this corona crisis. First upon, on behalf of Vishwaniketan, we would like to congratulate you on your bright success in 12th examination. And we pray to the Almighty that the branch which you are going to choose after 12th examination will give you more satisfaction, happiness and success in your future life. At this stage, we strongly feel that you should aware about few facts which will help you in next 4 to 5 months. You know that the entire world is passing through the crisis due to COVID-19 pandemic. Last 4 months, at majority of the places in India, lockdown is continue, and major educational activities, that is examinations, entrance test, results, admission processes, were delayed or postponed indefinite time. Till date, there is some uncertainty and confusion about reopening of institutes for new academic year. Recently, AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education, apex body of professional education, has declared the probable date as 15th October to start the professional courses like engineering, architecture, pharmacy, etc. Considering all these situations, Vishwaniketan has planned the next academic year very carefully to minimize the academic loss of students. Let me brief you that over and above the University of Mumbai curriculum, our institute has adopted world-class teaching learning practices based on project-based learning methods. The project-based learning and life skills activities help students to transform into design engineers, industry professionals and entrepreneurs for successful career. In Vishwaniketan, we have 6 branches. Out of these, 5 branches are the basic branches, that is civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering and electronics and telecommunication engineering. Now from this academic year, we will be starting the new branch from emerging areas as computer science and engineering in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now in our campus, we have dedicated project-based learning center. We call this as a center of excellence in project-based learning. Also we have center of excellence in business modeling. We have strong global network to support the project-based learning that includes CGC, Center of Tele-Infrastructure Global Capsule, then GISP, that is Global ICT Standardization Forum for India, then European Commission, UNESCO Chair of PBL, then few European and American universities, few research centers and large number of industries from India. Now this entire network provides students to various opportunities for strong industry interface and also gives the exposure in universities abroad. Now along with this university curriculum, we used to provide the trainings on design thinking, business modeling and various recent technologies from industry experts and corporate trainers. The outcome of all these efforts has been seen in our excellent placement record and number of startups created by the students. I am proud of being the principal of such wonderful institute as it has stood above the rest in its approach to education and its pedagogies. The way we teach and the way our students learn are unique and creative. I wish to mention our thankfulness to the society at large for their support and responses. To know more about our institute and admission process, please visit our website, that is www.vishwaniketan.edu.in. Thank you.